As a professional dryer vent cleaner, I've used every dryer vent cleaning kit that's available, and I think I finally found the best do-it-yourself dryer vent brush kit. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this really cool carrying case, so you can store it because you only need to clean your dryer vent like once or twice a year. So it's easy to store, easy to carry, and bring it with you when you're ready to clean your vent. And the thing that is unique about this do-it-yourself brush kit is the way you connect the rods. So usually the rods that I've been using for years are connected like this. So you connect them and they're threaded on. So they thread on like this, but there is one big problem with this. With it being threaded on, when you're cleaning your vent with the drill, it's instinct. Once you get to the top and now you're coming out, it's instinct to put your drill in reverse to bring it out. But if you do that, the thread comes off, brush gets stuck in your vent, and now you have an even bigger problem. One of my most popular videos is how to get one of these brushes out if you get it stuck. Also, even if you don't make that mistake, these threads will wear down over time, and it could fall out anyway without you doing anything wrong. So at the company that I work for now, they use professional rods that snap in, but those are really expensive, and you only really need that if you're doing commercial or doing professional dryer vent cleaning. But this do-it-yourself kit has the same type of technology. So instead of threading it on where it could get unthreaded, all you have to do is you push this little button in, slide it on, and then now when you're ready for your next rod, you slide it on like that. Even the brush head is attached this way, making it so it is almost impossible to lose this brush, because if you get the brush stuck in there, then your dryer vent's going to be completely clogged. And then when you're ready to take them off, you don't need any special tools. You could just push the button in and it comes right out. Also comes with a brush that attaches to the rods the same way for cleaning inside the lint tray. So now I'm going to show you this brush kit in action. All right, so now we have our dirty dryer vent here, and we got our brush kit. The next thing that you're going to need is a drill. It's going to work much better if you have a drill. And it comes with this piece. This goes into your drill, and then it has that locking system that you could connect the other rods. So I'm just going to take this, put it onto my drill. So it's ready to go. So now the brush is designed to be a little bit bigger, so it's going to knock everything off the side. So now there are 3 ways that you could use this brush kit to completely clean your dryer vent. Number 1 is the easiest, and that is if you turn your dryer on and you go to the outside of your house where it's blowing out, and the airflow from the dryer is going to blow everything out, and then the brush is going to loosen it up and everything is going to fly out. So make sure you wear a mask and eye protection. The next way to do it is to, if you have access, to move out your dryer and then do this from inside. So now what you could do is you could take your shop vac or even a regular household vacuum if it has a hose, and you can either just brush it so everything falls down and then vacuum it up after, or you could connect the vacuum to the actual vent so everything gets sucked up as you go. If you have one of these, you could use it. This kit doesn't come with one. If you're just doing do-it-yourself at your house, then a very easy trick is you could just stick your shop vac hose in there and then use a wet paper towel or wet rag to seal it. It doesn't have to be 100% sealed, but that's going to seal it up, and then all of the lint is going to come out. You could also use tape if you want, and it's a really easy way to get that nice seal. But for this example, I'm going to do it without the vacuum on so you could see how it works. So we take this piece on our drill, very easily connect it, and then we're going to brush it. You can see it's brushing all that stuff. All that lint that there is getting brushed. And if your vent is vertical, all the stuff will fall out, and you can vacuum it up after. So it's all falling out here, and then now we can simply vacuum it up. If we want to do it the other way, we'll get our brush in. This way is the cleanest and the best way to not get dust back into your home. is by having the vacuum on while you do it. And then once you're done, they all disconnect really easily. They come right off like that. And then you could put them right back into your cool carrying case here. You can take the brushes off. I left them on. And just like that, everything is back in the carrying case. And if you want to get this amazing brush kit for your house to keep your house safe from a dryer fire, click the link down below.